So if you remember, we clearly had an issue with our seat. It's kind of coming apart. The wood was all rotten underneath. I've cut a new piece, used the old, what was left of the old one as a template. So we've got a new base. I'm going to remove the foam and tail light from this. I'm hopefully going to reuse the foam, and then we're going to rewrap this with a new cover, and we'll get it on the machine. Fired up! We've disassembled our seat. We've got what's left of our foam. It's a little rough, but it's reusable. We got the inner foam from underneath. We've got our new base plate, and we've got our brand new seat cover. I'll have to make a few trims here at the back for the taillight, but other than that, it should go on without a hitch. One caveat here is when we're doing this, we'll be stapling the seat cover to the base and around in the plastic area around the taillight. You need to use stainless steel staples, otherwise they're just going to rust out super quick and the seat cover is going to come loose again. Start on one end. I'm going to work my way back. Just going to start with a few staples just to get it going. As we go along, again using stainless steel staples. You can see we have to cut out for the opening for the tail light. And there we have it. Nice new shiny wrapped seat. Tail light installed. Wiring ran. Ready to go on the sled.